Dear brothers and sisters of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, myself Vinay Kumar Vinayak from Karnataka. Firstly, I request all of us and all of you to be at peace. We know, I agree that we are facing the issue over water, that is Kaveri river water, and the orders given by the Supreme Court. Whatever the matter is, we have to take it legally and with peace to the court of law. We should not take the law in our hands and we should not damage the property. Today it has become a serious issue after so many years. So I humbly again request you to be at peace. Especially for the people of Karnataka, I am giving some of the statistics which are there with me, which people should think of it and let them decide what to do and how to go about in the court of law and to find justice equally among the states. So, coming back to the points which I want to tell about Karnataka, that is, in Karnataka, we have 17 member of parliaments in the House of Lok Sabha who belongs to BJP, 9 member of parliaments in the House of Lok Sabha who belong to INC, that is Indian National Congress, and 2 member of parliaments in JDS respectively. Out of which, in the Bangalore especially, we are seeing lots of issues, lots of violence. So when I come to Bangalore, I can see the statistics as Bangalore North MP is D.V. Sadananda Gowda, is again from BJP. Bangalore Central PC Mohan is again from BJP. Bangalore South Anand Kumar is again from BJP. What can I understand from this? The whole BJP is under the leadership, the whole Bangalore is under the leadership of BJP, that is especially in relation to the Lok Sabha member of parliament. Okay, and here Mr. Narendra Modi has taken the seat as a Prime Minister from 26/5/2014. He is the 15th Prime Minister of India and he is the 16th leader of Lok Sabha with no opposition. That is, out of 543 seats, the BJP led, the NDA government led by BJP has got 281 seats. The UPA government led by the INC has 44 seats, that means it has got 45 seats after by-election. And AIADMK of Tamil Nadu, which is led by Srimati Kumari Jayalalitha, is having 37 seats. The Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha is M. Thambidore, is from AIADMK. Again, coming back to Karnataka, Rajya Sabha members from BJP are having 4 seats. One is R. Ramakrishna, number 2 Baswaraj Patil, number 3 Prabhakar Kore, and number 4 Nirmal Sitharaman. What can you think of these people and what are they doing? After giving you these statistics, I say, when you compare the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, AIADMK alone has got 37 MPs, and in BJP, in Karnataka, from the BJP, there are 17 MPs. In Karnataka, from the Congress, there are 9 MPs, and JDS 2 MPs respectively. Whereas 37 seats, which is highest in terms of any count, if it is taken into consideration, Tamil Nadu has got more number of member of parliament. So while taking all these things into account, what can people understand? I don't have a question. And what can the members of parliament, especially from BJP, where are they? What they are doing? Despite of having so many number of seats from BJP, what are they doing? What are they up to? Prime Minister, I request, I don't have any personal grudge to Shri Honorable Narendra Modi or Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri Siddaramaiah. I don't have any personal grudges, but I say, as a Prime Minister, if there is no way to take it personally as a Prime Minister, but still there is a way to take the issue as a citizen of India. Before people coming and giving an application, before the court approaches, before the people ask, before the people fights, before the people are violent, a leader can take the things into consideration. But as a Prime Minister, what has he done for these things? What has he done? What his role has done? So we, the people of Karnataka, ask Mr. Honorable Narendra Modi, is there any answer for this? Let the people decide. I again conclude people to be with at peace and take the protest in form of peace, not in the form of violence. Ask the law and the court of law with peace. Thank you one and all. Jai Bhim, Jai Valmiki, Jai Bharat, Jai Karnataka.